Europastry has over 30 years of heritage in bakery. We have created a process where we use high-end technological systems while staying true to traditional baking methods. The result is superior quality artisanal bread. Saint Honoré. The foundation of Saint Honoré is the use of the finest quality grains and flours that comes from collaborating with local farmers and millers. In Oldenzaal, we have a specialized bakery kitchen where we soak, roast and ferment grains, transforming them into tailor-made recipes. Every recipe has its own homemade sourdough starter, resulting in their own characteristic taste. Time is an essential part of the process, as long resting and proofing times allow the bread to develop in-depth flavor and aroma. In addition, the breads can be shaped by hand, creating a unique handcrafted finish. The bread is baked in stone ovens, which reflects the traditional baking process. The bakery is not only highly efficient, it is also one of the first bakeries in Europe that is CO2 and nitrogen emissions neutral and runs on 100% green energy. Saint Honoré will satisfy the most demanding consumers who seek healthy, high-quality artisanal breads with minimum ecological footprint and innovation based on a true heritage.